We welcome our jury members and then we start the event. The first team, SH1012, team name Gardens, on title Solar Saving Machine, are requested to present here.
My dear students, please listen. So each team have to present for 5 to 6 minutes, okay? And the 4 minutes will be the query section, okay? So you can't go beyond the time limit. So we'll be seeing the time here, okay? So 5 to 6 minutes only for your presentation and 4 minutes for your Q&A, okay? Thank you.
Good morning to all. First introducing myself, M. Vishal from first year mechanical department and he is N.M. Balaji from first year CSE department. Our teammate is Hariharan, Dhanushkarthik, Sriram. He is also first year mechanical department.
And our project is solar shaving machine. And our statement is, me and my teammates decided to make a solar shaving machine to the help of domestic tailors because they are using the old manually pedaling machines and they cannot utilize the electricity charges on AC or DC motor. Because mostly they are using the towing vehicle or small doors, and in other cases they cannot afford the electricity charges instead of old manually pedaling machine. So we can introduce our solar shaving machine. And our objective is to reduce the usage of electricity bills by the tailors, and this is the one-time investment product and they can earn or save more money. Methodology. And our methodology is solar panel is connected to the charge controller and the charge controller is connected to the battery and the pedal controller is connected and placed between the charge controller and the motor. And by this product, the work done by the customer can be reduced and the physical energy also saved. And this is the example diagram. The solar panel is fixed at the roof of the top and the battery is connected to control the charge flow. And the pedal is connected to the shaving machine starts and connected by using the current. The motor. In this project, we are using the PMDC motor to reduce the electricity and the regeneration of electrical energy, and it converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. The permanent magnet DC motor generally operates 6 volt, 12 volt and the 24 volt supply and obtained from the batteries. In this project, we are using the 60 volt PMDC motor. And this is the flow chart of our project and this is related to the example diagram. Results. By using solar energy, we can able to use solar shaving machine by this method only and the electricity bill can be reduced. And our conclusion is PMDC motor can also save more and more electrical energy. And the traditional universal motor which would help to local tailors to earn more profit. That's all. This is our project. Thank you and all the best for other teams also.
Good presentation. Okay, you are a first year mechanical. Mechanical. Okay. What is the use of solar? How it is used in, you are telling about sewing machine, is it correct? Okay, normally you have sewing. No problem, join. You are second year? Yes. First year, okay, okay. 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 On what basis the solar is selected? Okay. On what basis the technology is applied? And what is the basic difference between normal sewing machine and solar? Hmm. Okay. What is the voltage that is used? You are using battery, right? 60 volts. Hmm. 60 voltage is enough to drive your motor? It's enough? You check it out. Okay? Hmm.
Cost is approximately 8,000 or 9,000. Lifetime of the battery also 3 years to 4 years. Our project is mainly for the downtrodden people because they can't pay the electricity bills. It is okay because nowadays they are charging commercial purposes 8 rupees per unit. Okay, it's okay, but we have to reduce the initial cost. Then only they will come forward to purchase or to convert from normal mode to solar mode. So first we have to give more importance to the initial cost as well as which battery we have to use, because you told that your motor is 60 volt, but as my knowledge maximum our household UPSs are having only batteries are having 12 volt only. Okay, so 60 volt battery you have to connect 5 batteries. Then what is initial cost? It goes 40,000, 50,000. They can't really they can't afford. Okay, ma, I agree. One time investment agree. You see now also electric bikes are coming. 1,30,000 rupees, 1,40,000. Nobody just switch over to electric bike because initial cost is 1,40,000. If I want a bike, I will go and I pay only 50,000 or 60,000 and I purchase because daily 100 rupees or monthly 1,000 rupees is not a matter. But initially, I have to invest 1,30,000 is big amount. You see, it is correct. One time investment is also correct, but regularly you have to change the battery periodically every 3 years or 4 years. Battery life is only 3 years or 4 years only. You have to check that also. So for that we have to go for advanced technology battery with minimum investment amount. Okay. Although once use 6 years or 7 years like that. You have to search for that type of technologies. Okay. But that project is best. Okay. Good.
Total estimation. Okay, you try to find it out. Okay, before working for it, you have to collect all the details. Okay, you have come forward. Good. Right, no problem. Before start doing and analyzing. Okay, you first collect the data. Okay, analyze it. Okay, because you are first years, you can do better. Okay, you have initiated. Okay, you have come forward for the presentation. Appreciation to you. Good.
Next, I call upon CTCNs to present.
Please start.
Good morning, everybody. We are presenting about road safety assist based on IoT. And here are the outlines which you are going to see. We everybody know what is IoT. IoT stands for Internet of Things, and we are using this. It is nothing but physically objects which is installed with sensors, and it has processing ability and transfers data through internet. Why we are using IoT in road safety? Mobility is one of the key factor of a smart cities, and which is necessary in improving the city's mobility. An effective management becomes essential to guarantee security. An efficient transporting service which can be obtained by the IoT, which device is installed in a vehicle. How IoT can help improve in road safety? Basically, in a company, a fleet manager can track a fleet drivers through these IoT devices, and drivers can receive real-time updates through IoT. If the road is blocked, where the truck is routing can be rerouted through this IoT with real-time informations.
Now we are going to see about Raksha Safe Drive system. It is invented by or implemented by Mr. Prasad Pillai. This is an improved emergency service system. The systems can be implemented in all kinds of vehicles, trucks, anything. And a sensor used in this called as fatigue sensor. This is used to sense every situations of the drivers, and it can alert the drivers to fall in asleep and require any kinds of harassments. Next slide. This is the system called Raksha Safe Drive system. This kind of systems are implemented inside the cars, trucks, anything else. Now we can assume that a car is encountered an accident. The GPS can track the car where it is using Raksha Safe Drive systems, and this system can sense the message to the in between or near tower located. This tower can send the information to the Raksha server, which is provided privately, and the information is passed to the support center, and the support center can assist and rectify the car from the accidents.
Telematics. Telematics is nothing but a digital blueprint of a vehicle where it can be tracked. Various transport agencies widely using this telematics in their vehicles to locate and track where it is in lively. Here the working of the telematics. We can see a commercial vehicles which is installed with a telematic device. The telematic control unit collects the data through GPS and track where it is. TCU sends the data to the cloud storage, and the cloud storage, the data are installed, and we can access through any network or your mobile applications. Intelligent traffic lights. Using IoT, traffic lights can be the data of the traffic lights where it is in red light or green light. Can the informations are lively transferred in the cars device, and we can see the pedestrian crossings data through IoT inside the car or any vehicle. Here the traffic lights where the green signal or red signal. Thank you. IoT can be used wide. IoT is also IoT is already working with this road safety system, and the wide range of applications in the field of road safety we can see in future in the coming years. Thank you.
Okay, okay, listen here. You belong to second year? Mechanical. Okay, okay. Okay, how you are telling n number of road safety systems are there? Is it correct? Therefore, how you tell that your proposed system, okay, is better safety when compared to that of existing system?
We can see already autonomous cars are in every companies are producing their autonomous vehicles. Being driven by humans, they are already programmed with an algorithm by working by their given data, ma'am. So it is better to rectify the accident before it occurs, ma'am, through this IoT to the programmed algorithm of the autonomous cars.
In your title you give road safety, but in your presentation you diverted in many places. That is, you go for IoT, IoT lights and street lights like that. How it is traffic lights? Okay, but road safety means traffic lights. In which sense it is used for road safety?
Sir, traffic lights are used to control the traffic and it also has a pedestrian crossing, sir. When humans, any person crossing the pedestrian, many cars that don't obey the traffic rules. If it is red light, pedestrian may cross the pedestrian crossing. But if the cars and vehicles which cannot see that is in red light, they may not know what they are சார் இப்போ ரெட் லைட் விழுந்துச்சுன்னா சார் ரெட் சிக்னல் கொடுத்துட்டாங்கன்னா
ஆட்டோமேட்டிக் நிறுத்திடுவாங்க இல்லையா காரை?
சார் சப்போஸ் சிக்னலில் ஏதாவது ஒரு எரர் இருந்ததுன்னா சப்போஸ் சார் எல்லாருமே டிராஃபிக் ரூல்ஸ் வந்துட்டு ஃபாலோ பண்ணுறது இல்லை.
ஃபாலோ பண்ணலாம். அதுக்கு தான் நம்ம இப்போ வந்து எல்லா இடத்துலையும் கேமரா ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டோம் இல்லையா? ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக உங்களுடைய காருடைய இதை நம்பர் பிளேட்டை வந்து இது ஸ்கேன் பண்ணி ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக உங்களுக்கு ஃபைனு உங்களுக்கு வீட்டுக்கு வந்து
ஜஸ்ட் ஃபைன் போட்டு போயிடுவாங்கல்ல சார். இப்போ அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு இன்ஜுரி ஆச்சுன்னா அது இன்ஜுரி ஆனது தானே சார். ஸோ அதை நம்ம ப்ரிவென்ட் பண்ணுறோம் சார். அந்த டேட்டாஸ் வந்துட்டு காருக்கு வெளியே காருக்கு உள்ளேயும் கமாண்ட் கொடுக்குது. அந்த கமாண்டை மீறி அந்த கார் ரன் ஆச்சுன்னா ஒரு ஆட்டோமேட்டிக் நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் வந்துட்டு அந்த நியர்பை ஒரு போலீஸ் ஸ்டேஷனுக்கோ இல்லை டிராஃபிக் போலீஸ்க்கோ போயிடும் சார்.
அந்த ஓனர் ஒத்துக்குவாரா, டிரைவர் ஒத்துக்குவாரா? சார் எனக்கு நான் கரெக்டாக தான் போனேன் பாரு. சப்போஸ் ஐஓடி அந்த டிவைஸ் ஃபால்ட்டு அப்படிம்பாரு. Is it possible to store all these details in a centralized server? இப்போ கோயம்புத்தூரில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு 30 lakhs கார்ஸ் இருக்குது. எவ்ரி மினிட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா யூ ஆர் கிராசிங் so many டிராஃபிக் சிக்னல்ஸை வந்து கிராஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறோம். இத்தனை டேட்டையும் போய் அங்கே ஸ்டோர் பண்ணுற அளவுக்கு ஒரு கெப்பாசிட்டியான ஒரு சர்வரை நீங்கள் இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணுறதுக்கு எவ்வளோ காஸ்ட் ஆகும்? ஐஓடியில் வந்து நீங்கள் ஐஓடி டிவைஸில் வந்து ஸ்டோரேஜ் கெப்பாசிட்டி என்னன்னு தெரியுமா? அதனுடைய கெப்பாசிட்டி Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Feasible plus அதனுடைய accurate இது solution. Okay. Okay, thank you.
See, please listen from next team onwards. All the team members have to come to the stage and you please introduce. One person can introduce all the team members. Okay? So at the last minute, please don't come onto the stage. Purinjadama? All the team members have to come to the stage. It is all the teamwork, right? Okay. What is the next part? Next part?
A kind request. Team members are requested to stand near the screen while presenting and remove the mask while presenting. Next we call upon Mr. Tech to present.
Team number 1015.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Shangapriya, and this is Deepika. And my two teammates are Girja, Vijaydarshan, Vishwajit, and Sriram. We are here representing our team, Mr. Tech, second year, CSCC. Our problem statement is to develop an IT framework in which a user reports a crime scene to the authorities. If a person sees a crime scene and he wants to report it to the authorities, but he doesn't want to go to the police station directly, in this case, he needs a web in which he needs to enter the information. At the same time, he wants his identity to be kept safe. For this, we came up with a solution in which we created a web using HTTP along with Big Chain database. Big Chain database is a distributed database that uses blockchain characteristics. Blockchain characteristics include the properties of decentralization, immutability, and owner-controlled assets. Now let's see how this works.
User sees the unwanted activities and he want to give information about it to the authorities. So he want get into web server. Once he enter into the web server, the web server asks him to enter his Aadhaar number. If his Aadhaar number is valid, the server takes him to the report portal, and this is our report portal. Report portal. In report portal, he enters the his data, his date, name, time, state, locality, when, where crime happened, what type of crime, and specification of crime. The entered text and the entered information will be written in text file, and it will be pushed into blockchain using Python script. this information pushed into blockchain. Blockchain will be in the form of hashed values, and only the allowed users will be access the details. This is how the admin will see the crime details based on the reporter portal.
Once the user gave the information, the admin checks the genuineness of the information. If the given crime information is true, then actions will be taken on the persons who committed the crime. If the given allegations is false, action will be taken on the user who gave the information. This is one use case. If two men are discussing about a bomb blast and a third person notices it, he wants to report it to the user. He gets into the web server, he uploads the information, and the admin checks if any other tip-off about the same crime have been received recently. If yes, he further proceeds and alerts the locality, and the person who committed the crime will be arrested. The privacy of the user is safely secured by this methodology. The person who gave the information will enter his Aadhaar number, and that Aadhaar number will be turned into hash values before entering into the database. By this, the user who has the key value only can decrypt the Aadhaar number, and hence the privacy of the user is protected here. For this, we use BigChain database because it is an open source database and it is economical to use, and the information written in the text file can be transferred to the BigChain database using any programming languages like C or Python script. And BigChain database is decentralized because the file system are decentralized. The information is copied to all the nodes of the computer's network, and it is immutable. Once the information is entered into the database, it is considered as an asset, and it can be altered or deleted by any other person other than the admin.
Crime branch like that. Okay. You told that you are developing a web application. Yeah. Nowadays, everybody having only cell phones. Is it better to convert this application into a app or not?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Then why you go for web application? You see, it is easily accessible means laymen don't know how to enter your web applications. For example, google.com and your web application, I can't remember. Nowadays, police station for inform some crime like that, you have to just dial 100. Then I can easily remember. But if it is a website, I can't remember your website name. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, your idea is good, but you have to try to convert this idea into a app. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's all.
Okay. Yes. Thank you.
Next, I call upon Team Zillions, team number 1016. I repeat, next I call upon Team Zillions, team number SH1016.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I am Raman Madhu from CSEB. His mother, his Karpasami, first year, sir. His mother, CSEB. His mother, his Karpasami Pandian. His S Pradeep. His Logit. We are from CSEB section. Our topic is about wireless power transmission. Today, the world entirely depends on electricity. The need of electricity rises day by day. So, in order to meet electricity, we are using for the conventional fossil fuels like petroleum and coal. So, by using this, we are polluting our environment. In order to protect the environment, we can use the solar power satellites for solution. In fact, we can directly convert solar energy into the electrical energy. But the disadvantages is we cannot convert the electrical energy 24 hours a day. Our main objective is to distribute the collected electrical energy into the various applications through wirelessly. Logit. I'm Saleh. Today it's Saleh producer. Saleh.
Tambi, it should be an equal contribution. Everyone should talk.
வாங்கடா.
It should be an equal contribution, okay? Not one should talk and everyone should be aside idle here, okay? புரிஞ்சுதா? 6 பேர் இருக்கீங்கன்னா 6 பேரும் ப்ராஜெக்ட்டை பத்தி தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணுமா தெரியக்கூடாதா? ப்ராஜெக்ட்டை பத்தி தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும். அந்த தெரிஞ்ச விஷயத்தை ப்ளீஸ் டாக் ஹியர். ஓகே? இட் இஸ் ஓகே. நீங்க ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணலனா இப்போ நீங்க ஈக்குவலா டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா?
Next we call upon Team Garudans, Team ID SH1017. Next team Flyers SH1018, be ready.
Smart and safe. My next team SH1018, smart and safe riding jacket. So the team name Flyers. Yes, please come in. Mahamanimaran team. See, next team SH1019, Please get ready, okay? Scout Topper, your team name. So next team, you people. See, YouTube live and Facebook live is going on, so please be quiet.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, yes, Lakshmi Nirpama. We are team flyers from CSEB second year. My team members are Mahamani Maran, Maheshwar Lal, Prasanna Kumar, Kavya, and Karthik. Topic is smart and safe riding jacket.
This problem statement is about passive need for safety device. This is used to reduce the accidents and severity of injuries suffered by the motorcyclist because of the accidents. Next slide. Aim and objective of this is the same, to reduce the injuries and accidents, death rates of motorcyclists when the accidents. Working here, we use airbag in the jacket, that is a safety riding jacket, which can be used by the motorcyclist. Working of airbag, in this airbag we will be having chemical cylinders, that is cartridges which can store 12 gram of CO2, and when this combustion propellant produces the inert gas, that quickly inflates the airbag in about 20 to 30 milliseconds. If it exceeds, the accident may be severe. It will not be useful. When external force or collision of two objects with bike show up, then those two chemical cylinders mixes, and the chemical response takes area in the cylinder. There is because of this chemical reaction, the airbag will be opening, and that airbag will prevent the motorcyclist from the accident. The required instruments are MPU 650 module, that is, it is a sensor which will be detecting the crash or the angle deflection. 3-axis gyroscope is for the angle changes, and accelerometer. The cartridge will be containing the CO2, and these are done with the lithium-ion battery. Next slide. This is the flowchart which is based on two crash, comparing two crash. Next slide. Result will be said by Manisula.
The crash will be decided on that and first airbag will be deployed. After that, second airbag will be deployed. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The result is injury variables obtained from the crash test with the